string players, today we are going to bring back a crowd favorite, Baby Shark. Here is what the final product will sound like. And that repeats over and over again. So our first three notes are D, E, G. So on the D string, find that, echo me. D, E, G, go. Again, ready, go. Then our next two notes are G, G, F sharp, try that, go. Okay, now we're going to back it up to learn this rhythm. This. Okay, so let's try that. Listen first. Try that, ready, and go. Go. Again. Again. One more time. Okay, now let's plug in our beginning notes. So D, E, G, 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 G. Try that, ready, go. Try it again. Open D, ready, go. Okay, now we're going to repeat that and then end on G, G, F sharp. Listen first. Let's try it together. Here we go. 1, 2, D, go. One more time. G, G, F sharp. Okay, sorry, it's hard to talk and play. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. Let's try it non-stop. We'll try it 3 times in a row, and I'm going to play some other little harmony notes that'll make it sound even more full. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. All right, way to go. Thanks for practicing.